Hello, namaste, welcome to my channel that Awkward Yogi. I am Payal. I am no yoga expert or fitness influencer. I'm just someone who is curious. So, I have taken this 30 days yoga challenge starting from this day with absolutely no gear or training and probably no idea what I'm doing here. So this ain't gonna be any tutorial or transformation video. This is just me showing up every day, rolling out a mat and just experiencing how yoga can change my body, mind and mindset by the end of the time. So in this journey I will be following free available yoga videos and trying to checking in every day. Well, some days might be awkward, some days might be boring, but I swear I'm gonna keep it real. If you are someone who has always wanted to try yoga but felt like too stiff, too late, too lazy, then come along. And let's see where this journey goes. Subscribe if you want to follow the journey or just pop in whenever you are curious. See you on day 1. Bye.